The quote screen is accessed after previously selecting items using the estimate guide. Before exploring quotes, click on your name and select Shop Settings to set up your preferences. Rates and Taxes provide space to enter 3 labor rates, which can also be renamed. Tax rates for parts and/or labor according to your local regulations. Shop supplies calculated by flat dollar amounts or percentage of parts or labor dollars. Hazardous materials by dollars or percentage, along with their own taxable settings. Headings and footers provide entry for your shop name and address to appear above in the header, and perhaps a thank you message below item detail in the footer of all your quotes. Text editing tools provide many options. Disclosure and print options provides entry for your own specific business policy text. Checkboxes are provided to determine whether part numbers, labor rate selected, labor hours, or customer signature line will appear on printed quotes given to customers. Display on other printouts controls if shop header or footer is to be included on any printed maintenance schedules. While it is possible to save quotes without customer information, including it allows for follow-up contact. In addition to parts and labor totals, any shop supplies, hazardous materials, taxes, and discounts will also be displayed with a grand total for the quote. Add Item allows you to manually add your own items by selecting the drop-down arrow, then selecting Labor, Parts, Sublet/Miscellaneous, or Notes. Add Discount creates a parts or labor discount with description and calculated by dollar amount or percentage method. Estimate Guide provides access if necessary to go back and look up more items and add them to this quote. Create New Quote clears this screen to begin a new quote. Save Quote copies this worksheet to the Saved Quotes folder. Once the quote worksheet is complete, clicking on Print will display a preview. Further printout options such as portrait, landscape, number of copies, and possibly an option to save a quote as a PDF document will appear. These can vary by the Internet browser in use. The Quotes module is accessed from the home screen, typically to access one of the 500 saved quotes. These can also be resorted by any column by clicking on the column name. To delete any of these, hover your mouse to the right of the last saved date column and click on the X and then answer yes to confirm the deletion.